Hello, my crafty friends. I am so excited to be here today. My name is Kim McGillis and I'm from Canada. I am a Stampin' Up! Demonstrator in Ontario. And I just wanted to talk about our Neutral Noël collection that is coming out to customers in September. The Global Ink Collectives, a couple of our designers, are hosting a virtual retreat. It's our second. The first one we hosted. I think it was early spring or June. I think it was in June. And we had a fabulous time that we decided to do another one now. So because we can't show the inside of the catalog, I decided to case the actual content of the catalog. They're a bit different, but it's just to show a little bit what the collection is about. So there are many products in this collection. It's called a mega suite. By mega suite, what I mean is it has two bundles. And then we have designer series paper. There's specialty paper, just one-sided right here. There's this cute jute. They are so my color palette. Like, I love these so much. And then we have these gold dots as well. I'll show you the actual. This is the stamp set. It comes 7 in a pack, and then these are the coordinating dies. The other stamp set is Noel Tidings. So these are the dies, 19 of them, and then these are the stamps. There's 12. You could also get this collection en français, donc French. For my French customers, it's kind of a bright and beautiful collection. There's also a embossing folder. It's called Gaufrage. Sorry, that's in French. It's called Softly Woven. I really love. It's very delicate, and you'll get to see them in my projects. So what I was sharing is, because we can't share the content of the catalog, I made the projects that were in it. So here's our first card. I really love the tone. I feel like this entire collection was made for me. And then a second one here. Look how those dies stand out, as well as the paper. It almost looks like it's been heat embossed, but no, it's the paper itself. You can make cute little gifts, and I wanted to show the jute just so you get to see how cute it is and how you can bundle it up. And then lastly is this cute 3D decoration that you could add. So how does this work? You've got a couple of different packages that are offered to you. So our event, me in Canada, it will be September 26th all day. You can catch us live. You'll be able to stamp with us as we go and create our projects. If you want to catch it in replay, you have that options. We do send all the measurements about 1 week ahead. If you pick the gold package, well, the gold package includes both bundles, the embossing folder, the 12 by 12 specialty paper, the neutral jute combo pack, the gold adhesive back dots, a quarter pack of autumn field two-tone cardstock. You know how we love to use our two-tones. There's going to be 12 fully prepped class kits. Everything is pre-cut for you. And also pillow gifts included. So the gold package in Canada is $275. You'll also get 4 bonus videos, so that has been added. Full access to our private Facebook group, exclusive project design you won't find anywhere else, and it's kind of fun to hang out all together. You could also pick the silver package, because a lot of people are demonstrators, so they already own the stamp sets. So what the package includes is the 12 by 12 specialty paper, the neutral jute combo pack, the gold adhesive dots, and a quarter pack of the autumn field two-tone cardstock, and then everything is pre-cut for you for your 12 projects. So you have that prep class kit, and they're all in clear envelopes as well. You'll still be getting that pillow gifts included. I like to embellish my package when I mail them out, so there's always a couple of additional surprises, and every registration also includes all of these. Now, if you only want the PDF option, it is $30. And this is offered globally. You could adjust to your currency, so wherever you are. The great part about Canada is our value of money. You'll probably save, so it's probably going to be a little cheaper for you if you are somewhere else in the world. So registration is open. I will put the link below, and if ever you have questions, please let me know. And then if ever you were wondering, here are our members. So there is myself, Ms. Wari, Elizabeth, Kim Fee, Jacqueline, Terry, Stacy, and Angela. So I can't wait. Hope you can all come and craft with us.